In today's world, an expanding distributed workforce, including contact centers and teleworkers, has created a much larger attack surface than ever before. Business and InfoSec teams are now struggling with migrating from a perimeter-centric security approach to a distributed security model, which requires continuous verification of trust. A large number of vendors work in silos with point products that ingest and throw huge amounts of raw data without a solution or architecture-level intelligence. Security has become a patchwork with a lack of strategic alignment. Current security solutions are focused on a traditional and reactive approach. Enterprises are overwhelmed by the growing vendor footprint, the complexity of existing solutions, and expensive services. Introducing Seqoria, offering the industry's first controller-based, zero-trust intelligent overlay. All that you have to do is log in to Seqoria's highly responsive and dynamic dashboard. First, select the specific architecture and solution. Next, select enterprise-specific business and compliance requirements. Then sit back, relax, and let Seqoria begin to build a zero-trust intelligent overlay. Leveraging its deep neural inspection and the power of abstraction, Seqoria identifies security vulnerabilities across the full OSI stack of the entire network architectures and solutions. Then, using natively embedded protocols and built-in intelligence, Seqoria data models compute the risk impact score and dynamically assigns it across the entire network. As soon as security risks and vulnerabilities are detected and scored, Seqoria dynamically routes and reroutes the voice, SIP, and data traffic to a more secure path. Finally, the communication falls back to its original path upon remediation of vulnerabilities. All this is done dynamically and intelligently, driven by business and compliance requirements. Congratulations! Seqoria Intelligent Overlay has been created. Seqoria ensures ubiquitous security, independent of network underlays, vendors, or architecture. Seqoria also introduces the industry's first-ever security-aware call routing and IP communications, time-efficient, real-time intelligence for business, regulatory, and operational assurances, a self-serviced and fully integrated cloud access security broker, and security operations center workflows, encryption fingerprinting for protection of PII, PHI, and other sensitive data, protection from communications fraud, denial of service, and robocall spam calls. Seqoria also offers a unique balance between end-to-end encryption, consumer privacy, and federal surveillance requirements, and much more. All this from a single unified console. This revolutionary new approach will reinvent zero-trust security with no more point products to manage and no more expensive security services, while cutting down on the security operating expenses, mean time to detect, and mean time to remediate by up to 60%, with much faster and more reliable risk analysis and remediation.